Hello everyone, good day for all. Welcome back to yet another episode of iSamveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. I am Dr. Kavya Vasudev and you're watching Study Ashtanga Hridaya series. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. In the last videos, we did a portion of Annaraksha Adhyaya. We discussed the signs which are being seen when the food and other substances get poison, how to examine whether the food is getting contaminated with poison, and the signs and symptoms which are seen in the body when we get contact with the poisoned ahara. If you have not watched that videos, please click the I button to access it. Moving with the rest of the chapter Annaraksha Adhyaya. Next topic in this chapter is regarding Viruddhahara. Viruddhahara are called as incompatible foods, are those foods which are being producing the signs and symptoms just like to that of a poison or visha. It may be because of the combination or processing etc. So moving with the Viruddhahara. Viruddham api cha aharam vidyat vishagaropamam. Viruddham api cha aharam vidyat vishagaropamam. Viruddham api cha aharam vidyat vishagaropamam. So the consuming two or more food items together or a particular type of food processing or at a particular time or mixing the quantity or quality etc. may render the food into toxic properties. This particular concept is called as Viruddhahara. This Viruddhahara has to be considered just like that of Garavisha. Garavisha is artificial poison. So just like Garavisha producing the signs and symptoms in the body, Viruddhahara also will produce different signs or lakshanas in the body, and it can even lead to the death also. So few examples of Viruddhahara has been given. आनूपमामिषं माश क्षौद्र क्षीर विरूढकैः विरुध्यते सह बिसैर्मूलकेन गुडेन वा विशेषात् पयसा मत्स्या मत्स्येषु अपि चिलीचिमः आनूपम् आमिषं माश क्षौद्र क्षीर विरूढकैः विरुध्यते सह बिसैः मूलकेन गुडेन वा विशेषात् पयसा मत्स्या मत्स्येषु अपि चिलीचिमः आनूपम आमिषम माश क्षौद्र क्षीर विरूढकैः विरुध्यते सह बिसैः मूलकेन गुडेन वा विशेषात् पयसा मत्स्या मत्स्येषु अपि चिलीचिमः. So the few combination which render the toxic effects in the body are being told, such as meat of animals of marshy regions, that is anupa amisha. If it is being mixed with masha, that is black gram, kshaudra, honey, kshira, milk, virudhaga, that is germinated grains or sprouted grains, bisa, lotus stalk, mulaka, radish, and guda, jaggery. Such combinations should not be used. If it is used, it will produces the viruddha effect. And fish with milk is contraindicated, and especially the chilichima variety of fish is contraindicated along with the milk. The other food items which are incompatible or viruddha when used with milk: viruddham amlam payasa saha sarvam bhalam tadha tadvat kulatha varaga kangu valla makushtakaha bhakshayitva haritakam moolakadi payastyajit. विरुद्धम अम्लं पयसा सह सर्वं फलं तथा तद्वत् कुलत्थ वरग कंकु वल्ल मकुष्टकाः भक्षयित्वा हरितकं मूलकादि पयः त्यजेत्. विरुद्धम अम्लं पयसा सह सर्वं फलं तथा तद्वत् कुलत्थ वरग कंकु वल्ल मकुष्टकाः भक्षयित्वा हरितकं मूलकादि पयः त्यजेत्. Amlam payasa saha, that is all the sour substances or the food items which are having amla rasa is incompatible with milk. That is, amla rasa dravyas should not be eaten along with the milk. Sarvam amlam phalam payasa saha, all the fruits, especially the fruits which are having amla rasa is not recommended to be taken along with the milk. Kulatha, Varaka, Kangu, Valla, Makushtaka are also not recommended along with the milk. And drinking milk after consuming the radish like haritaka or vegetables is also not good for the body. Other virutha meat and vegetables. वाराहं श्वाविधा नाद्या दत्ना पृषद कुक्कुडौ आममांसानि पित्तेन माशसूपेन मूलकम् अविं कुसुम्भशाकेन बिसैः सह विरूढकम्. वाराहं श्वाविधा न अद्यात् दध्ना पृषद कुक्कुडौ आममांसानि पित्तेन माशसूपेन मूलकम् अविं कुसुम्भशाकेन बिसैः सह विरूढकम्. वाराहं श्वाविधा न अद्यात् दध्ना पृषद कुक्कुडौ आममांसानि पित्तेन माशसूपेन मूलकम् अविं कुसुम्भशाकेन बिसैः सह विरूढकम्. Na adyat, the combination of food which should not be consumed are being mentioned. They are varaham shvavidha, that is varaha mamsa or pork with porcupine meat should not be consumed. Dadna prishada kukkudau, the chicken and spotted deer that is kukkuda and prishada mamsa should not be consumed along with dadhi or curd. Amamamsani pittena, amamamsa that is uncooked meat should not be taken along with pitta or the bile. Masha soupena moolakam, the radish should not be taken along with the masha soupa or the soup of black gram. Avim kusumba shakena, the avimamsa or the meat of sheep should not be used with the kusumba shaka, that is leaves of the kusumba vegetable. Bisaihi saha virudhakam. Bisa is the lotus stalk. It should not be taken or consumed along with the virudhaka, that is germinated grains or sprouted grains. There are other incompatible fruits or the combination of fruits has been mentioned. Masha sopa gudakshira dedya ajir lakucham bhalam bhalam kadalyas takrena dadhna tala bhalena va. माश सूप गुड क्षीर दधि आजेहि लाकुजं फलं फलं कदल्याः तक्रेण दध्ना तालफलेन वा. माश सूप गुड क्षीर दधि आजेहि लाकुजं फलं फलं कदल्याः तक्रेण दध्ना तालफलेन वा. The combination of fruits which should not be consumed are the lakuja bhala along with masha supa or guda or kshira or dadi or ajya is not recommended. That is, lakuja bhala should not be taken along with black gram soup, that is masha supa, or with guda, jaggery, kshira, milk, dadi, curd, and ajya or ghrida, that is ghee. Similarly, kadalyaha bhalam takrena, that is kadali bhala, banana, should not be taken along with buttermilk or takra. Dadhna tala bhalena, tala bhala, that is palm date, should not be taken along with dadhi or curd. There are certain combinations with kakamaji has been mentioned which produces the viruddha effect in the body. कण उषणाभ्यां मधुना काकमाचीं गुडेन वा सिद्धां वा मत्स्यपचने पचने नाकरस्य वा सिद्धामन्यत्र वा पात्रे कामाताम् उषितां निशाम्. कण उषणाभ्यां मधुना काकमाचीं गुडेन वा सिद्धां वा मत्स्यपचने पचने नाकरस्य वा सिद्धाम् अन्यत्र वा पात्रे कामाताम् उषितां निशाम्. कण उषणाभ्यां मधुनां काकमाचीं गुडेन वा सिद्धं वा मत्स्यपचने पचने नागरस्य वा सिद्धामन्यत्र वा पात्रे कामाताम् उषितां निशाम्. The kakamachi should not be mixed with kana, that is pepper, ushana or maricha, that is long pepper, madhu, honey, and guda, jaggery. If this combination is being done, it will lead to certain disease conditions or unfavorable conditions will be produced. And similarly, kakamachi, which is being prepared in the vessel used to cook fish earlier or used for preparing this ginger is also not recommended. That is kakamaji siddham matsya pachane. The vessel which has used for preparing the malsya or pachane nakarasya. The nakara or ginger has been cooked in such vessels. Kakamaji should not be prepared. And kakamaji kept for one night after cooking is also not good. Ushitam nisha, that is kept for one night, is also not recommended. मत्स्य निस्थलन स्नेहे साधिताः पिप्पली त्यजेत् कांसे दशाहमुषितं सर्पिरुष्णं तु अरुष्करे. मत्स्य निस्थलन स्नेहे साधिताः पिप्पली त्यजेत् कांसे दशाहम् उषितं सर्पिः उष्णं तु अरुष्करे. मत्स्य निस्थलन स्नेहे साधिताः पिप्पली त्यजेत् कांसे दशाहम् उषितं सर्पिः उष्णं तु अरुष्करे. Pippali processed with oil in which the fish has been fried should be rejected. That is, Matsya Nistalana Sneha should not be used for processing pippali. Kamse Deshaha Mushitam Sarpi, that is ghee which is being kept in bronze vessel, Kamsya, for more than 10 days, Deshaha Mushitam. If it is being kept for more than 10 days, such ghrita should not be taken for use. And Ushnam tu Arushkare. After consuming the Bhalataka or Arushkara, the Ushna Aharas or Viharas should not be done. That is, Aharas which are in having Ushna Virya or the food which is hot, and also the Ushna Viharas like sun bath or exposing to the sunlight, such things should be avoided after consuming the Arushkara or Bhalataka. भासो विरुध्यते शूल्यः कम्पिल्लस्तक्र साधितः. भासो विरुध्यते शूल्यः कम्पिल्लतक्र साधितः. भासो विरुध्यते शूल्यः कम्पिल्लतक्र साधितः. The barbecue preparation of bhasa or vulture is not recommended, or it is considered as virutha. And also takra sathita kampilla, that is kampilla dravya which is being prepared using buttermilk is, or takra, is also not good for health. Aikatyam payasa sura krishara parivarjayet. ऐगथ्यं पायस सुरा कृशराः परिवर्जयेत्. ऐगथ्यं पायस सुरा कृशराः परिवर्जयेत्. The combination of these food items should not be used. That is, intake of these together. That is, payasa, a sweet which is being prepared using kshira, ghrita, etc. Sura, that is wines or different varieties of madhya, and krishara is the preparation using tila, masha, tantula, etc. These all together should not be consumed. We did a portion of Viruthahara from Anaraksha Adhyaya and will be continuing the same in the upcoming videos. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.